Ba-da-ba-ba. Whoa, too close. Hey guys, I just wanted to do another little update video since things are going a little bit off schedule moving forward. So yeah, I already missed the video on this Thursday, and that's because I was focusing on getting things done right. Springos, specifically. You guys saw those fruit springos I did, but then I was like, oh my gosh, Halloween's coming up. I gotta make some pumpkins. So now I got some really cool pumpkin springos, and I finally got this jack-o'-lantern springo to work. There we go. So this was my first dual color springo. It's pretty exciting. I've got a larger one that I'm finishing up right now. But I'm still not done with my springos because I have this problem where I always want to release my videos when I'm completely done. You know, some people will work on big projects and they'll put like 10 videos of each step in the project, but I always end up just wanting to get to a very solid finishing point. And I know how long it takes for me to revisit things, so I want to make sure to get to a good point. After all, it's been probably a year since I did springos, maybe more to begin with. So yeah, still finishing that up, but since Halloween is coming up and I know these take time to print, I'm going to give you guys some of the files in advance. So in the description I'll put a link to my Google Drive or something so that you guys can download these and start printing them. If you want to share them, that's also okay, but it won't be a public file until probably next Thursday. I still do have a video coming out this week. It's just different. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys up to date, let you know. I am still making videos, of course, but a lot of springos in the works. These have just been taking so much time because I've been trying to make several versions of each one. So I have this in 3 sizes. Then I wanted to do some with and without dual color printing so that you guys can print it out either way. And making all these variations takes a long time. I've been working on it for weeks now. But I think it'll be worth it. And because I've put so many hours into it, I'm thinking of trying something slightly different where I still give out some files for free, but then I have a larger package that I might charge for, which I know obviously people want things for free, but I also want to test this 3D printing market. And you know, people, if they're gonna put in real work and make real quality models, they gotta get paid. So My Mini Factory Studios, what I use right now, I do make some revenue from what they make on ad revenue, even if I give my files away for free. But you know, I just want to test a few different models. So I might open, My Mini Factory just opened up their online store where you can sell files. So for example, the fruit springos, I'll probably have 1 or 2 of the fruits available for free, but then if you want the whole collection of fruits and all the different sizes and options, then I'll put that into like some kind of paid package. I don't want to charge too much or anything, nothing crazy, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up of what I'm thinking about. I'm really excited about these springos. There's so many possibilities. You know, I did that really cool Michelangelo geode head. I kind of want to do a springo version of a different classical sculpture. If you guys have any ideas of another famous bust, or maybe even a full figure, that would look cool as a springo, let me know, and I'll consider that. Alright, super quick video. I'm not going to run around my studio, but downstairs I am printing. Oh, yeah, the other reason the springos aren't done is I've been trying, like the very first springo I wanted, and like the one that I really want to get done is the full-size pineapple. So I've got the half-scale pineapple, and I've got a quarter-scale pineapple, but I don't have the full-size one, and it's already failed on me like 5 or 6 times. It's been super frustrating. I'm giving it one last shot. If it fails again, I don't know if I'll have enough filament to actually get it to work. So that's the reason for that delay. Okay, I'm also going to make Discord public. I'll put a link to that in the description or in the post for this video as well. Discord will let you guys contact me directly if you want to chat, if I want to upload files maybe. Maybe I can send you guys the 3D printing files for this through Discord. I'm still figuring it out, but check out the description or my posts on Patreon or whatever. That that was my phone. What else? Oh, I'm gonna start putting together my CNC today. I got a pretty massive CNC from Stepcraft, and my dad has been working on making some space in the garage and helping me making a giant table for it, because it's huge. It's like 2 by 3 feet of cutting area. I'm gonna use it to remake my Body Snatcher guitar finally, and so many things. I can't wait to start working with more materials and more tools. CNC, it's super exciting. So I'm gonna get that assembled and start working on that. Alright, I think that's about it for this video. But I just wanted to let you know, I wanted to put out these files because, like I said, they take time. You need time to print them before Halloween. And then you can also use them for November and December. Alright. That was kind of... Alright, thanks guys. Alright, thanks patrons. You guys are awesome. Hope you appreciate the update.